Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, before I get into the process, I'm going to quickly mention that this process removes everything that is located on your device. So any kind of apps, photos, videos, music, and all that stuff, anything that you keep on your tablet will be completely removed. So if you have anything that you'd actually like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, two things to keep in mind when making a backup through Samsung Cloud: it will only get backed up to Samsung, and if your new device that you will want to restore this to isn't a Samsung, then, well, obviously you won't be able to restore it. So that's number one. So I would probably recommend doing that to your, like, some kind of external storage. And to get started, we're gonna navigate into our settings. And here you're gonna scroll all the way down to General Management, and at the bottom, you'll find Reset Options. From here, select Factory Data Reset, and then Reset. Now, before I select Delete All, I'm going to quickly mention that there's two things for Samsung. Number one, you will need to confirm your screen lock if you have one set on the device. I don't, so it never showed it. And number two, you will need to sign out of your Samsung account, which probably some of you have it signed in. It won't ask you to sign out of Google account, but if you have the Samsung one, it will. So you will need to provide both of these. And from there, you can select Delete All, which will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen for this tablet. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.